Watch the flame. 1, 2, 3, and it pops right through the banana. It just magically disappears. And the key magically links onto the keyring. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today we're here in the beautiful U.S. Virgin Islands. Hit that thumbs up because I'm showing you 5 magic tricks that you can do anywhere. Okay, I have a rubber band and a banana right here. Watch, if I just touch the rubber band to the banana, 1, 2, 3, it pops right through the fruit, just like that. Watch the flame on this lighter. If I just touch it with the tip of my finger just lights on fire, just like this. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to learn the secret. This is an amazing rubber band trick you can do at home. You grab the knot on the rubber band and you can actually just pull it off. Just like this, and watch, I can actually eat it. Right back on. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to learn the secret. This is a really cool and easy trick that you can do at home. You take a key and a key ring, and watch, on the count of 3, you'll see this happen. 1, 2, 3, and the key magically links onto the key ring just like that. Look, it really is linked on. You can hand this out to the audience for examination. Stay tuned for the end of the video and I'll teach you how to do it. Really cool card trick that you can do at home. Stay tuned for the end of the video to learn the secret. So you take a single playing card like this, completely empty hands. You just take your hand, show it empty, and you kind of like wave in front of the card like this, and look. If I spread my finger like this, it looks like the top half of the card has just magically disappeared. Completely gone. Now watch, if I just kind of wave over it, it looks like it just magically restores, just like that. Stay tuned for the end if you want to learn how to do it yourself. Alright, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is how to do the rubber band through the banana trick. So this is actually super easy, and all you need is a banana and a rubber band. You're gonna take the rubber band and put it on top of the banana just like this, and you're going to stretch it up like so. Bring your thumb inside these and stretch that out too, and then your middle finger is gonna come over and press that band up just like that. Now once you have it pinched into this position, this is how you want it positioned for the audience. You wanna hide this part of the band right here underneath your hand so that all they see is this part stretched between the 2 fingers. So now we have a convincing illusion that this is just the rubber band stretched between my middle and forefinger, and we have the banana right underneath. What they don't see is this whole setup here. So now all we have to do is bring the band down like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna let off our middle finger just like this, and it's gonna look like the band pops through the banana just like that. You can then let off with this, and it looks like it has just magically passed through the fruit. You hand it out for examination. Here is the secret to the magic flaming finger trick. This is really simple. It is just a lighter, and you're gonna take some rubber bands and double them over. If you're a kid, you're gonna need an adult supervision with this. Obviously, anytime you're working with fire, it can be dangerous. You're gonna take a normal lighter like this, you're gonna take a rubber band and just wrap it over a couple times on the little button right here. That is what produces the gas from the lighter, and it allows the fuel for it to ignite. And you're just gonna have this concealed behind your hand. So your finger's gonna make this shape right here, and your thumb is going to hold the lighter in place. So from a cutaway view, this is what's happening behind the hand, just like this. My thumb holding it in place, and you have to make sure the angle is proper so that your audience sees it from the front like this, and they don't see the lighter exposed. So once you have that in position, you are good to go. You just take another lighter or a match, you hold it up like this, and as you bring this finger closer, this lighter will ignite, and it looks like the tip of your finger has just ignited into flames. This is also a really important tip to note. Make sure when you hold the lighter against your finger that your you're holding this button side against your finger and not the metal side, because if you hold it this way, you will potentially burn your finger on the hot metal and the flame. Super magical and super easy. Try it out at home. Okay, the secret to the magic key trick. Here it is. You need 2 duplicate keys and you need 1 single key ring. You're gonna start out the trick. You're gonna do this before you ever show it to anybody. You're just gonna take one of the keys and put it on the key ring, and you're gonna conceal this key in your hand using your thumb and the rest of your fingers. From this angle, it looks like I'm just holding a key ring. You don't wanna let them see this. Now, while you're holding it in this position, you've got your key concealed here. 2 things are happening at once. You're bringing this key up to the key ring and you're letting that key drop while this one is hidden in the other hand. So when you're holding it in this position with the key concealed right here behind your hand, it should look like you're just holding the key ring and a loose key. You're gonna say, watch. Touch the 2 together. 1, 2, 3, and on 3, you're going to drop this key down into the palm of your hand and leave your fingers up so it conceals it. And at the same time, your finger's gonna come up to cover the bottom of that key ring so that when the key drops down, it's under the cover of the hand. Now when you bring your hand down like this to reveal it is linked onto the key ring, all the focus is gonna be right here on this. So just casually drop your hand to your side and ditch this key into your pocket. Then bring this hand back up quickly but casually and tug on the key as you hand this out to the audience to examine. Okay, here is the secret to the top half of the card disappearing trick. This is super easy. All you need is a single playing card and an Exacto blade. If you're a kid, obviously get an adult's help with this. You're gonna need a straight edge to go right across the middle of the card, and then you're just gonna cut a thin line. We don't want to go all the way through the card. We just want to kind of score it. So now we have this invisible line running through the card so we can show it cleanly. But when we bend it over, the card is going to split in the middle just like this and fold perfectly at a 90-degree. That way, when held from the front, it really creates the illusion that half of the card has just vanished, but it's actually just hidden behind these fingers. So obviously it is a little angle sensitive. You want to make sure the audience is viewing it from the front. Then when you want to restore the card, you're simply going to use your thumb to press it back up into place, wave over the card, and take your applause. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. We're shooting on location here in beautiful St. John in the US Virgin Islands, filming the music video for my new song, New Era. It drops January 1st, 2021. Keep an eye out for it. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 items from EvanEraTV.com. Anything you want. Go check out the site. Let me know what you want in the comments down below. I'm going to pick 5 random comments and mail out the magic to you. So all you have to do to enter, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send us your full mailing address at this email address right here to claim your prize. Alright guys, again from beautiful St. John in the US Virgin Islands, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.